Mitrang wa barim gejala wade Nongialam kaling Persia Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kentu yu mitrang ba gejala Conrad ki Sangma ba khot ya barok ki Seng sampel thai ki Nongialam Kynhun Seng balang ba per ki Kynhun Niam nak benta banyak slok banyak til ban wanra beng ya sungsuk sungsanya gejala khamtam harilum Garo hadin ba mi kejingikan at hagini sngi.
My dear friends, let me take a moment of yours to appeal to all of you. And I sincerely make this appeal that we all put our heads together to find answers to all the problems before us. And at the very outset, it is very important for all of us to collectively endeavor to restore normalcy and peace. The developments that has unfolded in Garo has been very disturbing, and I am perturbed and disturbed. I have just spoken to the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. over phone. We had a telephonic discussion. I have suggested and made an appeal that he should immediately call a meeting, inviting all the elected representatives and all the leaders of various civil society organizations, and see that we put our heads together to come out with a solution to a very important issue before the state, before the people of Garo, and see that we put our heads together to collectively come up with an answer to this very crucial issue which needs to be resolved.